In this video, I am showing you how you can delete stickers on WhatsApp. So firstly, open any of the chats, and then you can delete any the chats that you recent chats. And after that, you have to long hold the chats and then click on the delete icon and then tap on the delete for everyone. And after that, what you can do is you have to click on the type a message, and you can see the in the left side of type a message you can see the emoji. Tap on this emoji, and after that you can see this and you can see the in the middle of this option you can see bottom GIF and all these emojis options and this page like option. Tap on this page likes option, and here you can see all your stickers. So to delete these stickers, simply you have to long hold this, and then you can and it will not delete from here. So what you can do from here is you have to click on the plus icon in this box. Click on the plus icon, and then here you have to go to the my stickers tab, and then here you can see all your stickers. So to delete the sticker, simply tap on the trash icon in the right side, and then click on the delete this delete with this name of a sticker, then tap on the delete, and now this sticker is gone. So that's it at how you can delete stickers from WhatsApp. So that's it at how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.